Welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through plenty of videos on face detection and face recognition using tkinter, using OpenCV, using Streamlit, using SQLite, using MySQL, and also using MongoDB with face login. So latest video was introduction to face recognition and detection using MTCNN. But today's video is really interesting and creative. It is about face recognition in different style. So let us go through the program. This is all about the program. Using MTCNN. Okay, now I will execute the program. Please watch video till the end. A face recognition in really a different style. Up till now I have not done such type of video. Okay. Yes, yes. Face recognition in really a different style. Yes. So first of all, start face detection. Now webcam will on. Yes, fine. Webcam is on. Yes. Now my face will be recognized. Yes, it is. Yes, it is recognized. Yes. Now it is recognized. Now it has been recognized. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Now it has been recognized. Yes, yes. Fine, 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 fine. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, it is yes, yes, yes. So I successfully done with face recognition using different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN, Keras, TensorFlow, then Streamlite, SQLite, MySQL, login attendance system and this thing, and using TensorFlow with face detection, using Keras with TensorFlow and face detection, and I hope you have find this video very informative. Please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN. So keep watching my videos on YouTube channel, sanjaymahadin youtube channel.com. Thanks for watching.